Nope.
I know the times are changing, I know the times are strange. No one knows about tomorrow. All I know is I won't let you down. If you're stepping out, I'll be following you. If the world should ever stop, Mamba!
Okay, we got him. I just need to take his head off. Get rid of the head. Grab his skin and gently peel it back. And then this, you can see, all of that is good meat. But they're still capable of killing you, even now.
It's so damn hot.
Yeah, I got a brand new challenge. Everybody told me I should grab the microphone and cut it open with my talons. I take a Sharpie tagging your medulla oblongata. I was screwing with your mama, I'm assuming I'm your father. See a lot of people copying my videos, are holding up an iPhone when they're rapping, trying to do it like I do. I'm giving a middle finger to the universe and sicker than fuck quick when I bust, putting voodoo inside you. I got us 400 words in under a minute, fucking exquisite when I'm busting ridiculous type of raps, bro. I can cross a tightrope 40,000 feet up in the sky with smoking on a stogie. I'm a slippers and bathrobe. I'm bringing a little terror to your mental state. I hit you in your lungs until you start to hyperventilate. Cause life is always better with a double FPA and mashed potatoes sitting right next to you. Take up on a motherfucking dinner plate for all the people arguing on social media about the quickest rapper in the world. You better know it's me, my friend. I'm puffing on some Denver, Colorado marijuana. You can say that I'm a hippie because I swear to God the trees are friendship bigger than the butt on Chloe K. You fucker go away. You're parked up in a fire zone. Your truck is getting towed away. They gotta break the hydrant and exterminate the heat. I'm spitting shots at any groups because you fucking made the beat. I'm ripping hoes like a too big and fucking little. When I swing, I'm a bat at the middle. Magas on mental rappers, subliminal facts and attacking with criminal acts in the back of a rental like I'm Patrick Bateman hacker with the axe. I crack your temple, grab the microphone and get it chopping like a semi-automatic weapon. Pop into the damage is skull. And if I ever can, I pay my bills. I'm rapping. I'll walk in the store and steal a bunch of shit like I'm LeAngelo Paul.
Sometimes it feels like I'm just walking on an endless road, like I got somewhere to go. Sometimes I'm feeling scared, but I don't wanna walk alone. You're the hand I wanna hold, 'cause you are everything to me, babe. I don't wanna see you hurt. You should know your worth. You are everything I need, babe. I don't wanna see you frown. I will never let you down, 'cause it's only you. No one compares to you, no. I'll keep fighting and I'll never let you go. Whoa. It's only you. No one compares to you, no. Let me love you and I'll never let you go.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, with asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks. Honeys wanna chat, but all we wanna know is where the party at. And can I bring my gat? If not, I hope I don't get shot. Better throw my vest on my chest, 'cause niggas is a mess. It don't take nothing but front for me to start something. Bugging and fucking at niggas like I was dumb front. Dumbing out just me and my crew, 'cause all we wanna do is party and party and bullshit. Bitches in the back looking righteous. In a tight dress, I think I might just hit her with a little Biggie 101. How to tote a gun and have fun with Jamaican rum conversation. Blunts in rotation, my man Big Chuck got the Glock in his waist and was smoking, drinking. Got the hooker thinking, if money smell bad, then this nigga big is stinking. Is it my charm? I got the hooker beating out my palm. She grabbed my arm and said, let's leave calm. I'm hitting skins again. Roll up another blunt for the Heineken.
Break time, yeah.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
What? What? What?
Virus.